So yeah, so as I was looking at the Nasdaq guys, for me today I expected it. Was it today? The whole week, yeah, I think the whole week from Tuesday, I expected this thing to drop massively to sell.
Mhm.
Yeah, so this is the thing that I was looking at. So now I also had this some sort of continuation. Yeah, I had something like this because I was looking at it from it coming out of this thing here, then give us a continuation, then to continue dropping. So, but now, NFP, NFP, NFP. But something that I didn't understand was that the USD was buying, also the Nasdaq was also buying. I don't know why, because I expected it to just, to sell like the thing, the gold and everything. Can you see?
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, so this is what I was looking at for me when I was looking at the Nasdaq. But now, hey, I don't know if whether is it going to now try to respect all of this nonsense here? Maybe push, touch it, and drop. So do you think it's possible that it might do something like that?
Yeah, it might form an end structure, then drops.
Yeah, around here, right?
Yeah.
So
Or it may
it is
respect
your what?
this zone. It may respect this zone. It might fail to cut
Yeah,
here or and respect this zone, then come back from that zone.
yeah. Yeah, but if it respects this zone, I'll personally not be interested because it's way closer to this one, guys. Because hey, I've learned a lot from these things whereby you take this thing where when there's an upper one which is very close, it tells you, then goes to exhibit this one, gives a nice continuation, and goes for a very long time. So hey, the moment when you see it like that, hey guys, be careful. So I prefer for the one up there. Then let's see. You remember this one? We had a very nice setup that we were looking at.
Yeah.
Yeah, also this one, I don't know what happened because we had this as a continuation also as well. I think there's something like this as a continuation. We just expected it maybe to break a little bit, give us something around here, then we take it down because we had this whole thing here as a big structure like this to take it to the downside. Can you see, guys? So I think NFP and other things, it just kept on going up, going up, going up, going up. So for me, I thought, okay, since it went here, maybe this was going to be a third touch. Then I wanted to, take this to take this as a continuation.
Mhm.
You see, after the third touch here, yeah. So then, man, something just told me, no, it's not going to sell this thing. Because this was simple, clean. This this is one of those setups that you know the like our don't forget our strategy is not 100%. So the somewhere you'll take a loss. Like in case around here, this was a
Mhm.
simple 1% loss, guys. This was simple, clear 1% loss. There's nothing you can fault here because it's after a third touch, came back down here, gave you and the funny thing is that let me show you here. It's also 1, 2, 3 touch here. So if you zoom in this
But
thing,
I can add on something. When Mark said that you can use the Fibonacci tool to measure if the correction is above 50%, you should not take that trade.
Yeah. But I'm just saying, my man, like this coming from a third touch, simple. You see, these are like valid setups. This is really, but anyway, okay, for me, I don't use the Fibonacci, but for me, this one I would have really, I don't know why I didn't take it, but something just said I shouldn't take it. But guys, this one, trust me, on a Euro USD, on a normal pair, you take this thing. Because if you look at it, it's simple, guys. This is coming from here, the momentum, you see, building this thing, then gives you a nice thing, also gives you this inside here, a pattern within a pattern.
Uh-huh.
Simple setup to take.
Plus even
We
the
go
pattern,
in full.
even the
Eh?
pattern is much larger than the impulse, like this part here. Let me show you with my.
Yeah.
It's even larger. Where is my pen? Let me check. This pattern is much larger. Where's this pen? Fuck.
Mm.
This pattern,
Or that, uh-huh.
you see,
It's like that one. Yeah.
it's even larger than this impulse zone here.
Oh. No, I'm just saying that you see this one, guys. If you can say it somewhere, take it, guys. I will take it. I'll definitely take it. Imagine.
But
But
like
other than
but
that,
like
yeah.
but like you should watch it for mastery. Mark talks about like this pattern, like patterns, and then
Mm,
it forms another continuation, and then like
mm,
this can turn to something like this. I think it's part. I think it's on drawdowns. Yeah, on drawdowns. Yeah, if you can watch like that video, like you'll see Mark explain about like these types of
mm.
this.
I know I definitely hear you guys. I definitely hear you guys. So yeah, this one and the Nasdaq. Yeah, these are the two that I was definitely 100% sure that I am saving, guys. I'm taking them to the downside. Hey, but what you did, yeah, I don't understand. But I think we still have opportunity, unless if you something happens whereby the indices will continue going to the upside. Because you know indices are always buying. You don't know why they never complete structures. So yeah, chances of that it can just continue. Because US30 is at the top. The US31, this one is really at the top. So let me see here. No, this one is really at the top here. You see, so there's nothing to it. So for me, I was looking at those two. The Nasdaq, JP, then let's see Bitcoin. Who's watching Bitcoin? Yeah, I used to
Bitcoin.
trade Yeah, I used to trade it
Bitcoin.
big time. This one, an X-Nice, hey, you are ready. One of our remember that maybe network. Yeah, I used to trade it big time.
I can see there's another setup for sales.
Uh,
Yeah, no, I used to trade it big time, guys. Let me show you. I used to trade it big time as well. It works nice, but the whole movement is the continuation for buy. So meaning that maybe next year they will get more investors. You see, because the whole movement here is just one big contribution to the upside. You see, so maybe if they get more investors, they might push it to the upside. But we'll see. For me, I used to trade it too much on Xmas because I know on Xmas you can trade it with $5. So I get in here, I just open one buy, then it moves small. You are running 20%, maybe $40 as profit, as long as you get it right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know about you, bro. If you use Xmas, trust me, you can make a whole lot of money with it.
Same as XM, same as XM.
So you see here, I got simple clean. I mean, if you go to 15%, 15, you see the cleaner, maybe even here, because somebody could have taken this one. This one came a bit closer, you see, because I love also this kind of setups whereby the market, let's say the market drops, does a hook like this, it goes down, then as it goes down, it does something like this. You see, these ones, I love it too much because I know that this will just come touch here or come close, then it drops. You see, so stuff like this, I love it too much. Can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
It does something like this. Hey, I love it. Okay. I know that immediately when it comes to this, I always trade them on the derivative indices. Hey, you'll be smiling alone, I mean, quietly so. Yeah, so it's like that. So yeah, for me, I trade it a lot because you can see if somebody was really analyzing this thing here, you can see, I mean, like simple, simple, simple. And can you see even this continuation here? It's below this thing. Can you see it's below this one? It's
Yeah.
below this area. So simple, clean. When you enter it, no mistake, no manga business, guys. You take it here, okay? So let me see. So yeah, other than that, this ones, guys, we need to just let me just use the this ones we need to just look at them and finalize. Like this one, this one listed. This one also it's ready as well next week.
What about
Also
for
this
silver?
one, oh silver. Let me go to metals. Okay. Silver. When last did I analyze silver? But silver moves the same way as gold. So let's look at gold. You see, it moves the same way. You remember gold we had that setup that we were speaking of.
Yeah.
So silver moves the same way. So here, as our brother was also explaining that there's also a chance that it can respect this area so that it can push back to that to this low here. Right, so let's do this. And move to this thing. So now as we can you see that this one here is simply at the top, meaning double top. So as much as it's here at the top, it's just structure. Yeah, someone can look at it like this. They say,
For this, I can see it's already committed to the downside.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Already this one has done that. So for now, 115 minutes. Let's see if the thing that is built on 115 minutes can be strong. Maybe this, but let's also say maybe it can teach what
It,
this
it might
area
form this M
before.
structure, then drop. Yeah. I think it will form an
Yeah, it
M
can come.
structure.
Yeah, same structure. For me, I know this one. They will be saying just this one has. For my broker, it has too much spread. You see, you might find one line is here, the other one is here. When you open a buy, it puts it here. Or it starts with a negative, a big negative.
Before
So,
you realize you're
so
in profit, you're already in big drawdown.
yeah, this when it starts, it's one of those things where you recheck, did I enter right? Yeah, so this one, it's the same scenario, but this one is at the top. So chances are that for it to drop, there's big. So this will be the first area to really, you know, consider if you are staying or still holding.
Yeah, it will be on the red zone, yeah.
Uh, okay. Okay. Let's see platinum. What about platinum? Was platinum on the same level or what? Platinum is saying a different thing. Let's see.
Mm.
I think it's on the same level.
Even platinum moves
But
the same as gold.
I've never traded it. I just had them on metals. You see, so I've never traded platinum. I only traded silver and gold. So platinum, I just added that just
What about
sometimes
commodities
do I have any commodity, bro?
like
No, I don't think I
sugar,
have.
those stuffs?
No, I don't have. Let me see what. I don't have man. Maybe I can come to. Yeah, I think I mostly used to focus on two. One Bitcoin, XRP. Maybe let's check natural gas. Natural gas maybe natural gas. This one I only knew about it from Mark. So yeah, maybe natural gas we can have and look at it like this from this side. Maybe when it reaches around here, plus this, then we can be interested. I'm sure Mark will be posting it when it's around this area, or he'll be talking about it on one of his lives.
Yeah.
Then oil, oh, I don't know how some of these people treat this thing. But I know most of you guys, you wait for it to reach a nice area.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, like for in case, I'm sure someone could have been looking at it because of this hook here. And you see, let's say like here, of this. Yeah, someone might be looking at it. Maybe to convince themselves even more, they put something like this. So here, can you see? Someone might be looking at it like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
But for now, you
so
can
if you're
wait
looking at it
for
like that,
maybe you wait for a correction inside here.
yeah, but
You wait for something
if
here.
if you trade it, then for me, some of these things, man, yeah, if you can get that, yeah, we can. I think we'll see, we'll watch it also, or someone will post it in that other group. But they don't post West Texas. They post the brand. What is it? This one. I think it's the same. Yeah, this one. It's the same thing. The brand crude oil. Yeah, they post this one. Most of the time, people post this one. So still gonna be the same scenario. Yeah, but this one is gonna be. Yeah, maybe something like this.
I was gonna ask too, what kind of oil is this? But like I can see, it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same oil, like just for me. For me, I've not. You know, one thing that I wanna say. I've noticed that some of these things, others they have nicer setup than the one that you're watching, so they can help you maybe analyze or try to see a picture. You see, and
Okay.
Yeah.
also this thing, also flipping the screen. Also flipping the screen helps. Have you noticed that, guys?
Yeah.
Notice, can you repeat?
Flipping the screen. When you flip the screen, it helps a
Oh,
lot.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
like when you flip the screen, you get to see like the market differently. Like this thing. You see now when it looks like this, now someone can now say, yeah, it's coming back in, do this, then you take it. Then you see it's much better. But now if you look at it like this, someone might say, I mean, I only love buys or I love sales. So however you see it, just make sure that when you press on your MT4, MT5, you don't make a mistake. Because I once flipped the screen, then when I went there, I bought, country was selling. You see, so just be careful once you do that, because sometimes sometimes if you don't see something, let's see 500. Let's see. Hmm, I think it's better that way. Hmm. Yeah, this I just put this thing like this and I left it. I never checked it. So yeah, for me guys, I'm just focused on those pairs. I'm just gonna refine them and just look at them nicely, especially the JP ones. These ones they look too good, man. They look too good. Let's see the MVP one. Yeah, these ones they look too good, man. Because the next value area is too far anyway. The next value area is way too far. Yeah, we can see this one in your dropping.
You see, this one is same as Cat Swiss.
Which one? The USD JPY.
Yes, yeah, USD cheaper. Go to Cat Swiss.
Oh, so like this. Hey, but my
Yeah.
understanding I can see For me, man, I wanted to buy this thing for the long run.
You could have been made liquidity for the
But
market.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah, waited like maybe to break like the this high, or by the time it's reached that hook point, maybe like you can buy for a long time.
my
Or
man,
if it's
Bella,
or if it shows, it gives like an opportunity
mm,
like to buy.
uh, Bella, don't forget, it was like this, man. The time when I was looking at it, it was like this thing. I mean, time when I looked at it, my man. Let me just,
Actually, I remember one day we analyzed this chart with you.
yeah, you see, my man. For me, it was yeah, around somewhere here. I announced it. I sent it in the group. I sent it in the group. It was somewhere around like this. I told you guys, once it gets there, around this area, we're taking it for the long run, guys. We are holding. You see, so I missed this double bottom. Then after, it did its thing. You see, it came, touched it nicely, went up. Then you guys saw it coming back down. I'm like, what are you doing, my man? Yeah, so my thought, guys, only down that it's going up, but now I can see that it's giving signs that I mean maybe I want to sell. You must forget about the buying. You know. So maybe, maybe. Let me put this thing nicely. So yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Mm. So let's see. Maybe it wants to come, touch here, and drop. Who knows? But other than
Yeah.
that, I wanted to hold that buy, especially from that time when this structure was still just that structure. I knew that if I'm gonna hold the buy, I mean, my account would look like my ID, too many
Hmm.
numbers.
It might look like your phone number.
Yeah, too many digits.
Do do you know this guy that said that's on that's my family or what? It's
Yeah, I
when
know.
he's a
I, I know.
he, he's a forex trader.
No, he's a comedian. That guy. He's not a forex trader. He's a comedian, but you said his bank balance looks like his ID, bro. There's too many numbers there. You can't even pronounce it. Just too many numbers. So yeah. Other than that, also the USD cares. Yeah, this ones they're also coming all right. But this one, if you also catch it, guys, I'm telling you, the USD care, if you can catch it nicely, because it's been repeating the same movement. See? So you can clearly see that this one is this. This is just the same movement it's been doing. Maybe let's just do ish. Let's do. Yo, right. Let's say like this. Yeah, same movement. Then now, if it can drop here, then maybe go up or let's come back here again. Yeah, if we can hold it, guys, if we can get a nice entry here and we hold it, we'll be sorted. We have a wonderful December. So let's see the other one. Also, this one, because of the clear miss here, it has to come back down here to finish. USDC chair. Has to pull back in, come back in. I think Monday or Tuesday I'm gonna take this one.
Pardon?
I'm thinking Monday or Tuesday. I'm taking this one or late Monday. The USDC chair.
Maybe in the evening.
Yeah. So let's see. Also, USDC. Oh, I spoke of USDC. Yeah, then this one is 50-50. This one is you can buy it concern. Yeah, also this one. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Watch out. And watch out. Oh, actually, I'm forgetting one thing. Let's look at the. Let me just do here. Let's look at the DXY. Because this one is the main big boss. So DXY here, I thought that around NFP was here. I was like, ish, this thing, if it can just drop here or just push the bit down, give a continuation and drop, then all of those other pairs that we're speaking of, the USD CAD, USD JPY, USD what, the sell will be proper. The sell will be proper. But now, it looks like maybe it wants to come and respect around these areas. But this one, we all know that sometimes it doesn't even care about that. It can just start selling from here and just, continue selling. It's also this year, not okay, it's not normal. It was coming through it. The question is when. You see, because have you also noticed that after NFP, the Monday Monday and Tuesday, the market goes back to where before the NFP had started.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Monday we can get a full candle like this. Then Tuesday it just now gives us a clear continuation. Then it drops. Because also these places are too far.
Yeah, it does. Maybe you can use this point as a reference. Don't close. Let me show
Yeah,
you.
the low.
You can use this low.
The,
Mark it so you can see what you're talking about. Oh
yeah,
yeah,
that's one.
yes. Yes.
So when it breaks down here, you are good for the sell.
Yeah, I was